Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sell all fish that you caught except the mythic and secret fishes in Fish Roblox. So in Fish you can bulk sell your inventory in here without losing your secret fish or mythic fish. And here I'm going to show you a quick guide to lock your mythics using this. There are two options actually that you can do. The first one here, you can use the favorite feature, so you can hit that sell all, this one. So for example, in here I'm going to make this one as favorite, and when you go to the fish merchant in here, you can just click on sell all. Or the other tricks that you can do here is that you need to enable this features right here, sell all, but set it into legendary, so not secret, because it will make your secret fish sold. So you can just set it into legendary, so it will make all the legendary and below fish tier sold except the secret and the mythic. So let's try it out. I've already turned it on, the sell all legendary. So let's go to the fish merchant in here and click on sell all. Click on yes, and let's see if my mythic fish is still there. Okay, as you guys can see, they are still there, not sold, even if it's not marked as favorite. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.